species of primates still today?
I don't know the number.
I
but
think there's over
something.
I think I Googled it and it was like over 500 species of primates and only one species of Homo sapien.
Yeah.
How does that make sense?
We really don't know what happened because we had, Neanderthals, Denisovans, humans, all were there together. And, we've seen in ancient DNA samples from certain areas, like first generation crosses of Neanderthals and Denisovans. So we know that there was a lot of mixture happening because, what are the chances we would find that otherwise? And then, I don't know how we were the last man standing, but we took all the genetic material that we could from those other lineages before we wiped them out in some way.
Isn't it crazy though? Like how different we are.
Yeah.
Like there's no, like if you look at all the different primates that exist today and look at the modern human, there's them, then there's this giant leap, and then there's us. There's not like a gradual, I mean, a little bit. There are some people who are a little bit more ape-like. There's some people who are a lot more evolved. But like, not really. Like there's not really any like Neanderthals, like legitimate Neanderthals or people who are halfway between primates and humans walking around today. It's like either primate or human.
Yeah.
Which in like, if you just go to the primate population, there's such a wide variety. And I know the human genome's like is pretty also is pretty veritable. Like there's a large variety in the genome, but like as far as like the species, we don't vary that much. It doesn't seem like.
Right. Yeah. Well, because we're pretty adaptable. I mean, we're really good at making technologies that enable us to survive in cold environments, hot environments, around water. Like we're really good at fishing, so we don't necessarily need to dive. And our physiology is very plastic, as we say in physiological research. Like it's changeable. We can go from, they're like boot camps, or you can learn to free dive and go from like a 30-second breath hold to a 2-minute breath hold in a week just by learning techniques or, working on different things with your physiology. So maybe it's just that we're so adaptable in a physiological sense that we haven't had to adapt that much in a genetic sense, because we can really take on most challenges pretty well.
Yeah. So what is the like simple conventional explanation for this leap from primates to humans? Like I know there's a lot that goes into it, but like there's a lot of fun theories people like to talk about that happen a lot on podcasts where like people like say a monkey, like one day a monkey ate a mushroom, psychedelic mushroom, and that accounted for the doubling of the brain size and all this stuff and developing technology.